Good morning, children. I welcome you all in online class. Today I am going to start stomata. I will explain what is stomata, what are its functions. Stomata are minute microscopic openings found on the surface of the leaf. Each stomata is made up of two bean-shaped guard cells. It has two sides, convex sides and concave sides. Through concave sides, an opening is formed. This is called a stomata. This stomata help in the diffusion of carbon dioxide, oxygen and water vapor. So we can say the stomata help in the respiration in plant. During night, the carbon dioxide gas which is produced, released through this stomata, but during the day, the carbon dioxide gas which is produced during respiration is used in the process of photosynthesis. So there is no liberation of carbon dioxide by the plant during the day through the stomata. So this stomata help in respiration, help in the photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is required as a raw material. That carbon dioxide comes from the atmosphere, absorbed by this stomata. And third function of the stomata is to remove the excess of water in the form of the water vapor. Finally, we can say the stomata help in the transpiration, removal of the excess water to maintain the normal concentration of water inside the plant body. The main site for the surface of the stomata. Stomata are mainly found on the lower surface of the leaf of the plant, but it may be found all over the plant. On the outer surface, it may be found. Number of stomata may vary. Number of stomata may vary according to the environmental condition. If the plant is in dry condition, especially in xerophyte, the number of stomata are reduced to reduce the process of transpiration, so that plant can save water by reducing the number of stomata. But in moderate condition, the number of stomata may be more in comparison those plants who are found in the desert areas. Now, mechanism of opening and closing of stomata. Stomata are open and closed. The opening and closing of stomata is depend on the turgidity and flaccidity. I hope all of you understand what is turgidity. Turgidity is the condition of the cell in which a cell cannot accommodate any more water molecule. And flaccidity is the condition of the cell in which the cell surface leaked out and the cell contract in size. So when these guard cells absorb water from the adjoining cells, become turgid, this opening widen and we call it open stomata. As after sunset, the flow of water from the adjoining cell to the guard cell decreased. Because of that, these guard cells become flaccid and finally stomata closed. So in this way, the stomata open and close, opens and close. Thank you. Have a nice day.